Hi, I'm Percy from Percy & Reed, and today I'm going to show you some really easy steps to create a waterfall braid. So to start, we're going to use the Percy & Reed Instant Dry Volumizing Spray. This is perfect to give the hair a little bit more grip and makes it much easier to work with. Whether you're doing a braid or putting your hair up, it's just a great way of giving the hair some guts. So we just mist it all the way through, roots to ends. And then I'm just going to use a towel comb just to make sure that we've got no knots. And we're going to start right at the front and just take a diagonal section. We split that into 3. And then we're going to take this front section underneath the middle. And then we're going to continue to just take the outside sections and keep taking it underneath. So we can see once you've got the 3rd section between your finger and thumb, you just want to pick up a section of hair, grab that into this same section, and then again we go underneath with finger and thumb and grab that section. Same thing, pick up the hair, pull that into that finger and thumb, underneath, and grab the following section. And we're just going to continue to do that all the way around the head. And then to finish, I'm just going to use some of the Percy & Reed Session Hold Hairspray. I'm actually just going to spray this directly onto my hands. And that way I can just manipulate the hair, just loosen it up. It's nice to actually pull the braid slightly apart. It doesn't matter if you find that you get a few stray hairs, again, it gives it a softness. And there we have our waterfall braid.